Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Workday integrations for HCM data sync and iPaaS, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your iPaaS platform. Navigate to the dashboard where your Workday integrations are listed. Locate the existing integration for HCM data sync that needs to be updated. Click on the integration to open its settings. Review the integration configuration details. Identify any outdated fields or mappings that require changes. Consult the latest Workday schema documentation for any new fields or types. Make note of any new HCM data elements that need to be integrated. Proceed to the mapping section of the integration. Update the existing field mappings based on the updated schema. If new fields are identified, add them to the integration. Ensure that each new field has the correct data type assigned. Save the changes to your integration mapping. Next, navigate to the Transformation Rules section. Review any transformation logic related to HCM data. Modify the transformation rules if needed to align with the new data structure. Test the updated transformation rules with sample data. After successful testing, proceed to the validation step. Validate the integration by running it in a test environment. Monitor the logs for any errors or issues during the test run. If no errors are present, finalize the integration settings. Schedule the integration to run at the required intervals. Communicate the update to relevant stakeholders. Document the changes made to the integration for future reference. Prepare to monitor the first few runs after the update. Adjust any settings or fields as necessary based on the initial outputs. Ensure that the integration continues to align with business needs over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.